Hello everyone, welcome to the video and thanks for tuning in. Today we'll be featuring chocolate cake pops, so stay tuned. Starting off with our dry ingredients comes the cake flour, sugar, brown sugar, cocoa powder, and we'll sift into the bowl of a stand mixer. Let's not forget about our baking soda, baking powder, salt, and we'll also sift that into the bowl. Let's transfer our bowl to the stand mixer and set the mixer to a low speed. While the mixer is running, slowly add in your vegetable oil and vanilla extract. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, stop the motor to add 1 egg. Resume mixing until the egg is fully absorbed into the mixture. And then repeat one more time for a total of 2 eggs. Now that eggs are in, add in your buttermilk and resume mixing on a low speed. Take a moment to pause the motor and scrape down all the sides. Add a little bit of coffee, and then run the mixer for an additional minute to ensure that all ingredients are thoroughly mixed together. Finally, pour all your cake batter into a pan. Bake the cake for 30 to 35 minutes, and once finished, remove from the oven and allow it to cool completely before moving on to the next step. To make our frosting, let's beat 2 sticks of softened butter on low speed. Gradually increase the speed to medium until all butter is smooth. Stop the motor to then sift in half of the powdered sugar into the bowl. And then resume mixing on a low speed until all the powdered sugar is fully incorporated. Now, take all remaining powdered sugar and cocoa powder, sift into the bowl, and resume mixing until all is thoroughly incorporated. With the motor still running, add in vanilla, milk, and salt. Take a moment to scrape down all the sides, and then continue to run the mixer at a low speed until smooth, to then increase the speed to medium until light in color and fluffy. Once cake has completely cooled down to room temperature, crumble the cake using only your fingertips inside the cake pan. Transfer all of your cake into a bowl, then take 1 scoop of frosting and place inside the bowl. Using only your fingertips, incorporate the frosting into the cake. Then, repeat this process until all the cake frosting has been used. Take a small cookie dough scoop and form a cake ball by scooping the cake and then gently rolling it into your hands until a ball has been formed. Place inside an airtight container and repeat this process until all the cake has been used. Finally, seal the container with its lid and place in the freezer for at least 30 minutes, but preferably overnight. To prepare for our cake pop assembly, we will first begin by poking holes over the top of a cardboard box. With water about a ½ inch high and bring to a gentle boil over medium heat. Set a bowl over top the saucepan and insert all the chocolate chips into the bowl. Once all is melted, add in 2 tablespoons of Crisco and stir until completely smooth. Take a cake pop stick and dip its tip into the chocolate. Next, take one of the cake balls from the freezer and insert the cake pop stick into the cake. Then, gently twirl your newly formed cake pop a few times to remove any excess chocolate. Immediately following, cover your cake pop with either sprinkles or coarsely ground espresso beans. To then finally insert your cake pops into the holes we poked earlier so that the cake pops can dry while standing upright. Hey, and thank you for staying around to this portion of the video. If you like to show your appreciation, please consider tapping that like button. Or if you like these kinds of things and would like to be in the know for future and upcoming videos, also consider clicking that subscribe button as well. And without any further ado, have a good one.